Hi, welcome to Axel Learning's Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. We will even explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method. Then, we will try to get the answers from AI. And lastly, we will show you a faster and smarter way to get the answer without the use of an AI or a calculator. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. In an alloy of three metals A, B, and C, the quantity of metal A is 4/5 of B, and that of B is 3/4 of C. What is the quantity in pounds of each metal in 47 pounds of the alloy? In the order of A, B, and C. A. 13, 22, 12. B. 12, 13, 22. C. 12, 15, 20. D. 20, 15, 12. E. 10, 20, 18. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the standard method. If A is 4/5 of B, therefore A is to B equals 4 is to B. Therefore, A is to B equals 4 is to 5. If B is 3/4 of C, therefore 4B equals 3C. And B is to C equals 3 is to 4. So, if you get the values, you'll see 12 plus 15 plus 20 equals 47 pounds. Hence, A is 12 pounds, B is 15 pounds, and C is 20 pounds. And the answer is letter C. The estimated time to arrive at the answer is 60 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT using the latest ChatGPT 4. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option C. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Alright, it's now trying to find the values of A, B, and C, such that it is equal to 47 pounds. Alright, it already found the values of A, B, and C and is now substituting. Okay, it got the correct answer, letter C, 12, 15, and 20. That was great! Now let's try this on Google Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option C. Now let's see how Gemini solves the problem. Okay, it's trying to define the variables A, B, and C and express them in ratios as proportions. Alright, it got the correct answer. A, B, and C are 12, 15, and 20 pounds respectively, which is letter C in our choices, which is the correct answer. That was also fast. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of an AI or a calculator. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. The first step is to eliminate those options whose sum is not equal to 47. Thus, option E is eliminated as the sum of 10 plus 20 plus 18 is 48. The next step is to identify the metal with maximum or minimum quantity. Because A is 4/5 of B and B is 3/4 of C, therefore the metal C is of maximum quantity and A is of minimum quantity. Thus, options A and D are eliminated. This leaves us with option B and C only. Since A is 4/5 of B, therefore 5A equals 4B. For option B, 5 times 12 is not equal to 4 times 13. Hence, B is also eliminated. Thus, answer is option C. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 15 seconds. That's a little over 10 seconds, but that was fast, given that we didn't use an AI or a calculator. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.